After he threatened them, my colleagues took out their guns and shot him in his leg. The person now has been brought to a hospital in Amsterdam where he has been treated in his injuries. After his treatment, we will talk to him and ask him what the reason was why he made the threat, because we are investigating all of that. So we have to talk to him and we have to see what stuff he had with him. So that's all part of our investigation. The situation is back to normal, so all the trains are running again. As you can see behind you, all people are going back to the planes or going to the shops. The only closed down area right now is our bureau and the nearby coffee department. So we are busy with our investigation right now.